Hey y'all, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make two super easy Christmas crafts. The first one, you may be a little bit surprised at what I use. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you what it is. All right, y'all, I'm going to show you such a super easy way to make a wreath. I've done one of these before, but it was a real long time ago, so I'm going to do another version, a Christmas version this time. You're going to need a steering wheel cover. This comes from the Dollar Tree. I got this one at Dollar Tree. You can get them at Walmart or whatever, but this one came from the Dollar Tree. Just a standard 7.4-inch steering wheel cover and a wreath frame. This is a 10-inch wreath frame, and I got this one from Joann's. So we're just going to take the cardboard out of the center, and then you're going to take this and you're going to put it on your wreath frame. You got to take your time with this. You just have to kind of put it on like so, and then just work your way around, okay? And it might try to pop off certain places. It's okay. Just hold it down. Hold her down. Okay? I'm going to work my way around. Okay, so I've got this on, and now what I do is I just take this edge here and pull it down, okay, so that the back, this lip right here, just comes right underneath this. That way you make sure, that you get this ring right here kind of sort of covered, okay? Just work your way around, and there's so many different colors of these. Now, my Dollar Tree, when I went last time, only had this white color, but, I've seen a bunch of different colors there, and this is so fast and easy. It's good for kids. It's good for, people that are in group homes, nursing homes. A lot of people ask me for crafts for nursing homes, and this is really good. It's just so easy for them to do. Okay, so now you have your basic wreath base, and now you just add on decorations, whatever type of decoration you want. So I'm going to grab some greenery and ribbon, and I'll be back. Okay, I said greenery, but you know what? I think I'm going to do berries. I have these berries, and then I have some very sparkly ones over there, but I think I'm going to go with this. Now, this is going to be an indoor wreath, okay? Because of the nature of this fabric, I think it would be best to be indoor. So I'm not really going to worry about wiring everything down with floral wire. I'm just going to be using hot glue for this one, okay? And y'all know I like to use Gorilla Brand. What are you doing? Gorilla Brand hot glue, because it holds up really well in both heat and cold, okay? So let us take our bow, and I have shown y'all a million times how to make this bow, but I'm going to have a link to it down in the description box and in a pinned comment. I'm going to have a link on how to make my easy no-tie bow. That's right, you don't have to tie anything to make this bow. So let's stick that right here and then kind of try to determine where our berries need to start. I mean, they can start anywhere and then just lay the bow on top of it. But let's see. Let it go. I think that'll be okay right here. So I'm just going to start gluing this first one down here. Like so. I'm going to hold that in place until that glue sets up. And then just glue more berries wherever I want them to be. And then we're going to glue down the bow. Now for our bow, like I said, this is going to be an indoor wreath basically. I'm just going to hot glue the bow down wherever I want it. Let's put it right there. I'm just going to hot glue it down, hold it in place, and there you go. So super easy. And if you buy pre-made bows, it's even easier. But anyway, let's move on to the next one. All right, moving right along to our next craft. Now, this one is not going to work out the way that I wanted it to, and I've told y'all plenty of times, don't feel bad if you have something like stuck in your head and you want to make it, and then once you get the things that just don't fit together. This is one of those things, but we're going to try to make it work. So I got this banner from Dollar Tree, and I also have this gold charger plate. Now, what I wanted to do was put this in the charger plate. Oh, look, we got something stuck. But the actual design is a little bit bigger than the inside of this. But I'm going to cut it out all the way around. And then I'm going to see how I can fit it inside this charger plate. I'm probably going to have to trim off most of this greenery, and I don't want to, but it is what it is. Anyway, let's work with it and see what we can do. Okay, so I have this cut out. As you can see, it's just not going to work the way I wanted it to. So I'm thinking what I can do is, you see like this line here, like the bold, thick line where this greenery is running? I'm thinking I may just have to cut on that line there. And we still have some of the greenery around the edge. We're just going to have to take the majority of it off to get this to work. And I hate doing that, but it is what it is. Anyway, let's cut this part out. Alrighty, so I've got that trimmed down. And I know somebody's going to say, well, why don't you just use a pizza pan so that it would be bigger? Okay, the pizza pan was way too big. I have a pizza pan, and I tried it. It was just way too big. So now we're just going to use some good old Mod Podge and this brush. And get out of the way. I'm just going to take it, and I'm just going to put it all on the inside of this plate here. And then we will stick down that piece that we cut out. Now that's sort of like I said, a canvas type thing. So it should adhere to the Mod Podge fairly well because it's pretty textured. And this is textured as well. It looks like slick and shiny, but it's textured. So I think it's going to have some grip to it, okay? You know what I'm saying. Let's move this out of our way here. Stay. No, what? It's going to roll everywhere. It's all right. Do whatever you want to do. Nothing around here listens to me. Okay? So I'm just going to press this down. Just try to get all around the edges here. And then we need to let this set up for just a little bit before we move on. All right, this is what we have. So this has not completely set up yet. But I promised my kids that I was going to make some shrimp Alfredo tonight, and they're very excited about that. I know, a very basic dish, but they love it. And picky eaters, if you can get them to eat anything, whatever you can get them to eat, that's what you need to make. So anyway, I have some of this cedar berry pick. This came from Walmart. It's kind of raggedy because y'all see me use this in previous craft. And then I have one of my, once again, my no-tie bow. I'll have the link to that again in the description box, and I will also pin a comment with the link to this bow. I made this bow with this ribbon, this 1.5 inch wide ribbon, and I forgot to show you the ribbon for the other bow, but anyway, 1.5 inch, and this had come from Joann's. You know when they had like their big doorbuster deals or whatever they call it? I stocked up on a bunch of ribbon. But anyway, I thought this was so pretty. And then the red there will just bring in a bit of color. So I'm just going to cut this here. Just cut off a few sprigs. Oh my goodness, I have hacked this poor stuff half to death. I'm just trying to clean out a lot of this Christmas stuff that I have laying around. So I can start moving on, you know, to Valentine's Day and spring. So now, I don't think my glue gun is heated up yet. Let's see. The good thing about this is it is wired, so you could kind of bend it around the plate, the charger rather. Wow, its balls are falling off. You can just kind of bend it around however you want it. Now you're going to take your bow here, wherever you want to put it, and then try to decide like where exactly you want everything to go. And then once this is heated up, we'll start gluing it down. All right, so I've been looking at this, and I think what I want to do, instead of putting it down here at the bottom, if you want to put it at the bottom to hang it up, that's absolutely fine. Now, how can you hang it up? If you drink soft drinks, you can use like the pop tabs thingy off of the top. I don't drink soft drinks, so what I would do is use one of those tabs. You know, like sparkling water. I drink sparkling water. That comes in a can. Or you can use a piece of floral wire. Just bend it into a loop and then use some E6000 because this has got some weight to it. You're going to need to use more than hot glue. Use some E6000 and glue it to the back up here at the top. That way you can hang it. But doing it this way, you can just stand this up like, you know, like those little easel looking things that holds up plates and stuff. You can get those at Dollar Tree. That would be perfect for this. So yeah, I think I'll just put this off on the side right here. And so we will decide where we want this to be. I think I'll just start right here. So we're just going to glue this down. Let's see, I'm going to bend it a little bit more. Get out of the way. Okay, I'm just going to glue that down like so, and then glue some more pieces here, and then glue on the bow. Okay, so I've got this glued on. I know it's a little bit difficult to see because all of this shininess and then the light glaring off of it's not helping matters. So let's just put some glue here on the bow. Just stick that down, and then so you can see that right there. I just stuck my finger in it. I'm just going to take a piece here, just pop that off, and glue down right there, just so that you can't really see the stem of that other one. There we go. Okay. So let's see. I might put another one right there, and then once I glue this down, it'll be done, and I'm pretty happy with it. Just another fast and easy thing to put together. I love using these chargers and gift bags. If you don't have like one of the little banners like I use a gift bag. Use a piece of wrapping paper. You know, use a photo, whatever you want to use. Very, very versatile craft. So this is what we have, and I'm very happy with it. And I hope that you liked it too. So if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.